Alright, so I will be talking about the problem statement and objective of the invention. So among the problem that can be seen clearly is the company needs a lot of employees to manually read the meters to determine power consumption and bills. This problem could lead to the high cost for the workers' wages and high possibility for the technical issue or technical mistake, as it is humans being that doing all of the work, not machines. Other than that, without technology, the household cannot monitor their power consumption, which could lead to the power wasted and high cost of the bill payment. To resolve all this problem, a smart screen TNB meter with an application energy tracker was created with some solid objective. For example, to minimize the wages expense. It can be done with the implementation of the machine, which can do the work of the employees with a low probability of any mistake. By doing so, the company is able to cut some of the unnecessary workers and thus can minimize the cost of the workers' wages. And the last one is to help the household to plan and control their power usage. They can monitor their consumption through an app that can help them to avoid any unnecessary power usage. Okay, the next one is for the general description of the technical or technological aspect related to the invention. So big data and artificial intelligence (AI) are two techniques that are able to help in the invention process. Big data is a collection of data that is huge in volume yet growing exponentially with time. It is data with such large size and complexity that none of the traditional data management tools can store it or process it efficiently. Artificial intelligence is a form of computing that allows machines to perform cognitive functions such as acting or reacting to input, similar to the way humans do. Thus, the role of big data in this invention is to collect the history of the power usage by the consumer and will be stored and accessed in the form of fixed format called structured data. While artificial intelligence will use all of the data to analyze and interpret data and solve the problem or address the issue based on this interpretation. With machine learning, the computer learns once how to act or react to a certain result and knows in the future to act in the same way. So by combining these two techniques, a machine that can monitor and manage the power consumption can be done successfully and surely will be able to cope with all of the problems that occurred.
For the target population, there are three target population that will be benefited from the fintech invention. The first one is the household, where it will help the household to control the consumption of the electricity. The second one is the firms, where it will increase the profit by reducing the consumption of the department that give a lower return to the firms. And the third one is the TNB, where it can reduce the expenses by reducing the number of the employees.
Okay, next I will explain about the description of our invention. Okay, our invention field is based on the use of technology and high-tech feature or system. Therefore, we plan to develop and innovate an existing model, which is the traditional one, to the technological system, so that the concept is relevant to contemporary technological advancement. Basically, our invention relates to the electricity industry. This idea can sense power usage meters in homes, schools, hotels, and other firms. With this invention, we make improvements in electricity consumption meter reading. Right. The use of the high-tech feature of this invention is AI system, which artificial intelligence that is placed in smart screens. We also have a big data component for our custom application on the TNB meter smart screen that we create. Our invention are intended for people who desire to make their daily tasks easier.
For the background of the invention started when the Malaysian people are questioning the TNB on the calculation of the electricity bills. The miscalculation of the electricity bills make the bills become expensive. The Malaysian people also wants to know the method that has been used by the TNB to calculate the bills. The Malaysian, especially the household, are facing an excessive electricity consumption that make their bills become expensive. By establishing this invention, it will help the three target market to monitor the consumption of the electricity. The elements that have been used to make these inventions are artificial intelligence and the big data, where the AI will help to monitor and suggest the consumption of the electricity bills, and the big data to store the data of the consumer.
Okay, so next I will explain the description of the innovation regarding fintech. Alright, briefly, we know that fintech is the use of the internet, a mobile device, and any system technology that connects with financial services. That is why we chose to invent this product that has a high-tech system and a unique application. Our product name is Smart Screen of TNB meter with energy tracker application. Right, so this product is related to other technology that is evolving right now, which able to manage their finance, pay for meals using the same technology, which are their smartphones. There are two systems and two components in our product system. The first is the TNB meter, which the previous model was replaced with a smart screen with AI. The AI system would compute the whole bill price to be paid by consumers in that month by converting the wattage to RM Ringgit Malaysia. Which before this, it will require the TNB personnel to utilize their calculating machine to figure the complete bill within a month. Then the second is the application that we custom to provide all of the data of the bill amount for that month in a direction from the smart screen system. There is installed an energy tracker feature in the application, where the system leverage big data technology. The big data technology is function to collect all information about the consumers, which electricity consumption for a month. The feature then displays each gadget and component that requires electricity. Following that, it displays the monthly electricity consumption ratio together with the price, so that the users may plan their monthly budget.
So right now we will continue to the drawing and the description of the drawing. So figure 1.1 and 1.2 shows a smart screen installed with the technology of artificial intelligence and big data. So this smart screen is a terminal to calculate the electricity from the power supply. The second figure is the old model that we want to replace with the figure 1 with the new smart screen system, so the customer will have a better product for them. And the last one is figure 3, shows an application that can be downloaded for customer from Play Store and Apple Store. So this application is a medium for the system to transfer the data from the smart screen, so the customer can access the application and monitor the electricity consumption anytime and anywhere with no limit. Okay, next we will go through the SWOT analysis, which is SWOT analysis, an acronym for strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. So for the strength of this product is the new technological system applied for this product. This system used to calculate the power of consumption for the target market, and it is also can lessen the reliance on human resources. So after that, the weakness for this product is it is a high cost installation and maintenance product due to the high end technology that been applied for this invention, and then the low acceptance from the society at the beginning, because basically people will have a doubt with a new freshly product that come to the market. So the opportunity for this product to rise is when TNB use and install the system. It will be a stepping stone for this product to become a great deal to the target market. Other than that, the opportunity is because there are no competitors, no companies that offer this system other than our company, and then it is also will be a durable and viable product because we use high-end technology, and right now currently we live in the era that technology is a must for all of the society. And the last one is threat, which is natural disaster can ruining the system, and then there are possibility of duplicate from from other company, and our system can be used for other industry.
Alright, so the first step of the process for this invention is planning and analysis. For this invention, we do a lot of research to plan one product that could solve all the problems to the consumer and the company itself. Thus, we come up with smart screen TNB meter with energy tracker application, which we believe to be able to resolve the problem. We make a proper analysis by doing some survey to the possible consumer about their opinion in this invention, and we got positive result, which is majority of them are excited and looking for this product to officially been released and said this product will be helpful for them, and thus decided to proceed with the invention.
For the design phase, we will design the invention by introducing an application that will be penetrates in the market. The electric meter that has been currently used in the market will be replaced with the smart screen system, smart plug chip, and also the chip tracker usage to trace and calculate the consumption of the electricity for a certain period. For the development phase, the big data and the artificial intelligence are the main elements that will be used in the application. As we want to convert from the traditional ways into the technological ways, we will need the algorithm. Therefore, we will develop the information processing techniques and also the algorithm to run the application.
Okay, so for testing phase, first we will test the product for our own company, looking for the flaws and improve before we start the mass production for the invention. For implementation, when we got the final product, before we sell to the customer, we will first install the product at TNB on the TNB first, and then collaborate with them to advertise the system, because we know that this is a great opportunity for us to expand our company and our product. And for maintenance, we will hire technician and support team to keep updating, monitoring, and maintaining the system to run smoothly in the future. So I think that's it for me. Thank you.
Alright, lastly, for the conclusion, we can say that as more of the world's information is digitized and more people and things are connected, the digital or network economy will become tremendously vital. This is in line with our product, which allows all electricity users to know their electricity consumption, be able to check and make bill payments through online, and so on. Furthermore, the digitalization of product, services, process, and interaction allow for more precise measurement and management of labor. That's all from us. Thank you.